my name is Lucy. I am a student at 평촌. Today I will be talking about my opinion about what do I prefer, books or TV shows. Books are interesting because we can imagine the situations that are happening in the book. However, TV shows are interesting too because I can see the situations more clearly and do not have to imagine them. I prefer watching TV shows to reading books. I have two reasons to support my opinion. First, TV shows are more fun than books. Sometimes long books can be fun because boring because I have to read many pages. But TV shows are more fun because there are many things that are not in the book. For example, when people read the Harry Potter books, they can read all the detail, but it can be difficult to concentrate. In TV shows, we can feel the characters' emotions because of the actors' acts or costumes. I read the book Harry Potter. I was bored because it was long, and when I watched the movie, I can concentrate on the situation more. Second, TV shows don't make me imagine the situation. In books, I have to imagine all the situations, but I just see the situation and know the story in TV shows. Also, I can know the story better because I can watch it in the TV shows. When people read books, sometimes they can be bored and do not read the book properly, so they can misunderstand the story. But when they watch TV shows, they can understand the story better. I watched the Harry Potter movies, and I understood the story better than when I read the books. In conclusion, I think TV shows are better than books. First, it is more fun than books. Also, it doesn't make me imagine the situations. Thank you for listening to my presentation.